In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Roblox password, whether you are logged in or you have forgotten it. In case you are logged in, navigate to the More page, click on Settings, click on the option Account Info. Now here you're going to find the option of Password. Here you're going to find this icon for editing the password. Click on it. Now type in your current password and generate new password for your Roblox account. In case you are logged out of your account and you have forgotten your password, what you want to do is type in the email address over here and click on Next. Now you'll be prompted to enter the password. So what you'll need to do is click on the option Toggle Signing In. Now go ahead and type in the username, email or the phone number that is linked with your account and click on Next. Now you'll be receiving 6-digit code in the email address or the phone number that is linked with your account. Type in that code over here. With that, you'll be prompted to generate new password for your account. Now type in the new password, confirm it and click on Update Password. With that, your password has been updated. So this way you can easily change password in Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.